Ano nga ba ang fastest way on how to add an integers? Una, dapat consider natin yung dalawang factor, and that's kung magkaparehas yung sign at magkaiba. So dito, pag magkaparehas yung sign, we just add the number. It doesn't matter kung parehas positive or parehas negative. Tatandaan, pag magkaparehas yung sign, add lang natin yung number. So wala tayong pakialam kung parehas positive or parehas negative. Pero ibang usapan na po dito kung magkaiba yung sign. Dito naman po, lagi nating hahanapin yung sign ng malaking number. Hahanapin natin yung sign ng malaking number. Pagkatapos natin makita yon, we have to subtract that number. Isinulat ko pala dito sa left side in a horizontal way. Dito naman po is vertical para mas padali po natin ma-identify yung sign ng malaking number. But it doesn't matter kung anong way ang pagsulat po natin. So let's have problem number 1. Tulad ng nabanggit natin kanina, same sign, just add that number that's equals to 12. Nire-write ko po yung problem dito, pero iniba ko po yung sign ng isa sa kanila. But number 7 is positive, which is the bigger number. So we just subtract, and that's equals to 2. Positive 2. For problem number 2, we have here 7 plus 18. Parehas po negative. We just add that number, copy the sign. That's negative 25. Pagdating dito sa number 2, ang sign ng malaking number ay negative, that's 18. We have to subtract, that's equals to negative 11. For example, number 3, we have here 22 plus 17, just add that number, that's 39. Pag nilipat ko po dito, yung sign ng malaking number is positive, 22. So just subtract that number, that's equals to positive 5. Now for example number 4, we have same sign, 125 plus 200, just add that number, that's equals to negative 325. Of course, magkaiba na po yan dito. Here, rather, 200 plus negative 125. We are looking for the sign of that bigger number, and the sign of the bigger number are positive. Then, subtract, that's equals to positive 75. And for the last example, we have 4,100 plus 3,200. So just add that number, that's 7,300. Now, kung ilalagay ko po dito, yung sign ng malaking number is negative, and we have to subtract for that. So if we subtract with this will become negative 900. So, ganun lang kadali. Have a nice day.